It's sticky, it's shiny, but what is earwax anyway, and where does it come from? Hi, I'm Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at earwax removal. Earwax is made in the outer ear canal. This is the area between the fleshy part of the ear on the outside of your head and the middle ear. The skin in the outer ear canal has special glands that produce earwax. The fancy name for this waxy stuff is cerumen. After the wax is produced, it slowly makes its way through the outer canal to the opening of the ear. Then, it either falls out or is removed when you wash. In most people, the outer ear canal makes earwax all the time, so the canal always has enough wax in it. So why do we need wax? Earwax has several important jobs. First, it protects and moisturizes the skin of the ear canal, preventing dry, itchy ears. Second, it contains special chemicals that fight off infections that could hurt the skin inside the ear canal. And finally, it acts as a shield between the outside world and the eardrum. When dust, dirt, and other things enter your ear, the earwax traps them so they can't travel any further. Sometimes it builds up and needs to be removed. I personally use a lighted pick to clean my ears. I'll put an Amazon link to my favorite below. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, for a great way to remove earwax, check out this lighted pick. Its shape gives you more precision, making it less likely to push earwax farther back into your ear, which is a common problem with Q-tips. And the light helps you see what you're doing. These picks make a great addition to your medicine cabinet. So check out the link below if you'd like to get one for yourself.